Your Tesla Model Y is a masterpiece. But let's be real, those seats need protection, spills, wear and tear, or just a fresh new look. Whatever your reason, we've got the best seat covers to keep your ride looking flawless. Stick around as we break down the top picks that combine style, comfort, and durability, so your Tesla stays as premium as the day you bought it. At number 5, we have the MeeKooMay leather seat covers, designed specifically for the Tesla Model Y 5-seater from 2020 to 2025, crafted with high-quality Napa leather and a thick sponge layer. These covers offer a premium feel while ensuring maximum comfort. They provide full protection against spills, scratches, and daily wear, keeping your Tesla's interior looking brand new. Installation is a breeze, with a snug fit that seamlessly blends into the original design. Not only do they look great, but they also hold up well over time, making them a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their Tesla's interior without hassle. Stay tuned for number 4, because the options only get better from here. Coming in at number 4, the Wekar leather seat covers are a fantastic upgrade for Tesla Model Y owners looking for a sleek, factory-like finish, designed to fit perfectly on Model Y interiors from 2020 to 2024. These covers are crafted from premium Napa artificial leather, giving your seats a luxurious texture while being incredibly easy to clean. Installation is hassle-free, thanks to the Velcro and zipper design, ensuring a snug, glove-like fit. From a distance, they blend so seamlessly with the original seats that they could easily be mistaken for factory upholstery. With high-quality materials and a stylish look, these covers offer both protection and a refined aesthetic. But hold on, because our top 3 picks are even more impressive. At number 3, the FREESOO leather seat covers bring the perfect balance of luxury, comfort, and durability to your Tesla Model Y, designed exclusively for the 5-seater models from 2020 to 2023. These covers are crafted from premium faux leather with a foam back design, ensuring your interior stays protected from daily wear and tear. Not only do they fit like a glove, but they also add a sleek, high-end look that enhances your Tesla's aesthetic. Installation is quick and effortless, making it an easy upgrade for those who want a refined and polished interior without the hassle. If you think these are impressive, wait until you see our top 2 picks. At number 2, the RuiYue Carry front seat cover is a top-tier choice for Tesla Model Y owners who want to preserve their seats while maintaining a sleek, factory-fresh look. Designed for a perfect custom fit, these covers effortlessly protect your interior from daily wear while offering superior comfort with their skin-friendly, eco-friendly materials. Not only are they well-made and sturdy, but they're also incredibly easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. Whether you're looking for durability or a stylish upgrade, these seat covers deliver on all fronts. But we're not done yet. The best Tesla Model Y seat cover is coming up next. Stay tuned. And taking the number 1 spot, the Xipoo leather seat cover is the ultimate choice for Tesla Model Y owners who want the perfect combination of style, comfort, and durability. Designed to fit 2020 to 2023 models, these seat covers are crafted from high-quality materials with double stitching for enhanced longevity. What sets them apart is their ventilation holes, ensuring excellent air permeability for a comfortable ride. Once installed, they look sleek and premium, especially the white vegan leather option, which adds a stunning, modern touch to your interior. With an OEM-like fit, high-quality craftsmanship, and easy installation, the Xipoo leather seat cover is the best upgrade for keeping your Tesla's seats protected and stylish. That wraps up our list. Let us know in the comments which seat cover you're going with.